So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import clients. So you might have an empty client database at the beginning and you might just have one or two clients listed here, but we're going to show you, if you have an existing client base, how you can import them on a spreadsheet. So you'll go to the account settings button bottom left, or you can reach it from the top here to the account setup, and once you're in this account setup screen you'll notice that you've got here an area called helpful tools, and there are two areas here where you can export information, and the one we're focusing on in this tutorial is the import clients information. So by clicking on the import client information you'll see that you're brought to this screen where you have the option to download here a free template. Now if you download the template, it will give you the format of how you need to enter your details in order to import your clients successfully. So by clicking on here you'll be able to see that the template is quite specific. It will show you here and guide you to the actual fields that you have to have filled in. So the two required fields are the first name and a phone number in order to create a new client, and we basically need as much of this filled in for the completeness of your client data. So a first name, a last name, they need to be separated, an email, a phone number, address line 1, a street line, a city name, a county name, or that's a state name in the USA, a country, but that doesn't need to be filled in, and the postcode is the same as the zip code. So once you start to populate this information, or it might be sent to you on a CSV or already in an Excel format, you'll basically have a sheet that would look a little bit like this. This is an example one that might be filled in. So it doesn't matter if you're missing some of the data, if some of these fields are not filled in, for example second name, or you're missing some email addresses, or you don't have a full address or even any address at all, or the postcode, that's fine. As long as you've got something in the phone column and something in the first name column, then it will populate in correctly. So we're going to populate in and import these 6 clients here, and what you need to do is just to be aware that you need to have no more than 250 clients on any one import. It doesn't matter if you have more clients than that, but you'll need to do them in more than one batch. So as long as the first spreadsheet that you're going to input is 250 or less, you basically click on the import button and you're going to find it from your area on your computer, wherever it's stored, and you're going to find the actual Excel or the CSV file, and you do it just by pressing the open button, and it will import it very quickly, and it will tell you this message, you've imported it successfully, and take you directly into your client screen again and show you all of the clients that have just been imported from your Excel sheet. So you can click on any particular one of those. So we'll just click on this guy here, and you'll see his profile has all been showing with his phone number, his email address and his postal address, and by pressing the more options and the edit you can go in and complete further information. You can add a second phone number, you can add another address, you can add a photograph for the client, and just double check that the phone number is correctly sorted on the right country code. That's important for if you're wanting to send automated SMSs. So it's as simple as that, just being able to import your clients from account setup and import clients, use the spreadsheet, and then just import using this button here. And if you need any help, just give us a shout on our help@Pocket PA email address.